The days are getting shorter and the nights light up with colorful fairy lights, accompanied by the gentle sound of wintry melodies that whisper softly. It's Christmas! The year 2024 is drawing to its close and the Dlubal team is already in a festive mood. On behalf of the entire Dlubal software company, I'd like to take this opportunity to wish you all out there a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. 2024 flew by, having some exciting events in store for us. In April 2024, our new website finally went online. Clearer, more modern and much more than just a digital showcase. It is the business card of our company and we are delighted that it has been so well received by you. In addition to the new website, another major innovation was launched, our AI chatbot Mia. Thanks to her, you benefit from comprehensive 24/7 support with concentrated knowledge as well as structure analysis, first aid if you have any questions. And that's not all. With Mia, we won the Construction Computing Award in the Innovation of the Year category at the end of the year. We are of course very proud of that. At the same time, I am aware that none of this would have been possible without our team. I would therefore like to take this opportunity to say thank you to all of our team members, to my great colleagues with whom I have the pleasure of working side by side every day, for your tireless commitment and the dedication with which you do everything you can to master new challenges every day. We really are a great team. I also want to say thank you to all our customers worldwide and of course to the Dlubal community. Your feedback motivates us to do our best every day. We work hard every day to pass on our passion for structural analysis to you, because structural analysis is enjoyable. With this in mind, I wish you a merry and peaceful Christmas. See and hear from you next year. Your Daniel.